guys, good morning. We're now here in Charleston Place, located in Barangay San Juan, Santa Ana, Pampanga. And this project, guys, it sits on 24.8459 hectares and it has a total number of units is 3,455. So, ayan, nakikita niyo po, yan yung pinaka-project update. And the construction is still in progress. At ito, since nasa pre-selling, grab this opportunity guys dahil napaka mura pa po ng presyo dito. So malapit lang po ito sa mga nearby establishments and sa NLEX, malapit lang po. So nakikita nyo, ito dito naman, ito yung pinaka highway. Ayun yung highway na yon. So ayan guys, ang itatayo po dito is townhouse with and without garage. And the lot area is 36 SQM and the floor area is 44 SQM. So napakalaking development na po sa ngayon because last year wala pa po itong mga fence na to. Ayan. So this is a very good investment here in Pampanga. So guys, try to invest now. Just message my number 0977-3059-172. Okay, let's make your dream home happen here in Charleston.